Thank you.
You gotta know what's going on with it because, you know, it's definitely gratitude season out here, man. So I don't know what they on, but you know, I told them we definitely gotta show gratitude for the holidays. We just did a gift bag. We got 2 winners, you know what I'm saying? They got 2 free pair of gratitude. So, you know, that's what we do, you know. But yeah, oh yeah, I'm rocking the Outrank brand joint right now. I'm rocking it right now, bro. Yeah, I'm rocking that right now. Yeah, I know it's exclusive. I know it. Yeah. I'm gonna let them know though, for sure. I'm gonna let them know. But yeah, I'm gonna catch up with you when I get out there to the city, man. All right, bet that. All right. Oh, what's going on, man? Y'all showing gratitude this season? Yeah, I had to. 2 times. Cause Jay making movies.
Jay making movies.
Rock money knows.
Jay to go, action. Michael Jackson Thriller, pull up in the ghost. Hop up out that bit, all black folks. Couple racks on me, ballin' in the post. Bank rollin' the soul, premise told. Mess with me now, channel on go. Barely flexin' on them, haters do the most. Million on the way, bout to raise the toast. Got a new name, call him Jay to go. Outrank on my clothes, let's swap on my foes. So first I'm killing myself, gotta install them suicide doors.
YouTube family. It is that time, man. The time has finally come, y'all, man. What's good with y'all? It's your boy Jay here to hit y'all with the detailed review and on feed, of course, of the Jordan 11 Gratitude, man. We want to say formerly known as the DMP, but however, they did switch this one up. They do want to give thanks, you know, gratitude back to, I guess, the consumers. I don't know, for $230, man. I mean, make it $170. That's how you make and show gratitude to the consumers. But anyways, man, like I said, y'all, pretty much modeled after the DMPs, which did come with a gold dog tag. This one does not come with it because I think, I don't know, they might want to save cost, but they want to add $5 more. Like I said, I can ramble all day about the price tag of this, but like I said, they did switch up. I just want to say the only thing that might be different is it does not come with a DMP dog tag, such as the previous Air Jordan 6 DMPs, which did retro a couple years back. That shoe did come with the dog tag, but we won't see one on this shoe. However, it's still a clean shoe. Of course, it does have that classic iconic Jordan 11 Concord style color blocking on it. Of course, the all over white uppers with the black shiny patent leather on it. But one big change is it does not have the mesh upper, man. So we gonna dive into it. We gonna talk about it. We're gonna take a close look at it, man. Before we do, if this is y'all first time stopping through, glad to have y'all rocking out with your boy Jay, man. Over here we do a lot, man. We do a lot of different things, man. Just check back, look at the previous videos, get yourself, you know what I'm saying, caught up to date. And if you see anything that you like, man, make sure you thumbs it up as well as you subscribe to the channel, man. It will be greatly and truly appreciated. We are on the road now to 200K, man, and it's amazing, man. So I thank y'all. We just gave away 2 pairs of this in particular shoe, man. So shout out to the winners. Do I want to put them on the screen? I guess. Hey, show some love, man, right there, man. Hey, shout out to y'all. They were the winners of my secretly, you know what I'm saying, quiet giveaway, because I always like to try to do things for people who engage and watch my videos, man. So I don't really like start the video off with like, hey bro, we doing a giveaway, blah. No. I put it somewhere hidden in my video that I'm doing something for the fam, and hey, for those of you who watch it and catch it, y'all can get entered in. But outside of that, man, let's go ahead and dive into today's content, which is these Jordan 11 Gratitudes, and let's check them out. Bang, y'all. So here we have them, man. The 2023 Jordan 11 Gratitudes, y'all. This shoe right here officially set to release on December 9th. We have seen it a few times earlier, right before Thanksgiving. We've seen a shock drop. Then right after that, we've seen exclusive access go out on this shoe. There is no secret, y'all. No secret that this shoe will be very, very plentiful, man. It's a lot of these pairs out here. However, don't take it lightly. Do not sleep, man. This shoe still will sell out, man. This won't be a shoe that will see any sales tags. Of course, it is the holiday Jordan 11 release, and for years back that I can remember, every Jordan 11 holiday release sells out. This is one of the first times, though, I gotta say that I have seen the prices before release at the price point that they're at right now, man. So as of right now, the time I'm making this video, certain sizes of the Jordan 11 Gratitudes are going below retail, man. But of course, after your fees, you might pay a little bit above or right exactly around retail after taxes. But that's amazing, man, to see a holiday 11 going for the prices that they're going for right now, man. So definitely it's a great time to get the shoes that you want, as I often say. But man, I mean, get that Christmas shoe, have a shoe for whoever you want to have it under the Christmas tree for pretty much retail. That's a blessing, man. But outside of that, man, if you guys do plan on copping a pair of Jordan 11 Gratitudes, make sure you guys do check out Outright brand. They do have the pieces to make your fit complete, man. They do have the Gratitude collection, which will be going live Saturday, December 9th at 10 a.m. Eastern time, the same time that Nike Sneakers app will be dropping this shoe. They will be dropping their collection over there, and their collection is dope, y'all. It does have a few different items. They do have hoodies, they have sweaters, they have t-shirts. They do have them that come in the black color. They do have some that come in the white color, man. So definitely head over to Outright brand, check them out, use promo code JayTheSneakerGuy. That will save you a percentage off your order, man. So definitely check them out if you want some pieces to go ahead and spizzazzle, you know, razzle out y'all little outfits, you know what I'm saying? Like if you want to add that finishing touch, definitely check out Outright brand. Or if you want to get somebody else a gift for Christmas, you know, that will go with their shoes, definitely check them out over there. Outside of that, man, we got some Gratitudes to talk about, man. So let's go ahead and take them outside, get some sunlight shining on them, and let's talk about them. So taking a look at the box, man, the box is pretty neat. It does come in an all over black matted style box. It does have a gold Jumpman on the top, man. Very elegant, very nice, very nice. But taking a look at the side that does have the size tag on it, you will see the gold circle on it, which, I mean, it's a DMP vibe, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, y'all, we showing Gratitude. The size tag reads Air Jordan 11. Retro color blocking is white, metallic, gold, black. On this in particular Jordan 11, I do recommend going true to size. I mentioned it in my early look video. This one fits pretty good to me. Of course, last year's model, was it the Jordan Cherry? I think the Jordan 11 Cherries released last year. That shoe fit a little snug in my opinion. I do think that they did get the sizing better on this in particular Air Jordan, but that is just my opinion. But hey, if you want to stick with your original size that you normally get in 11s, do that. It won't hurt. But popping open the box, y'all, it does have a little special detailing on it. Of course, this is the Gratitude edition. So you open the box up and you do get that big, warm welcoming of thank you. It does say thank you, bro. It took me about 15-20 minutes to read that when I first seen it, but it does say thank you on the top of the lid. Also, when you look at the paper, you do get, of course, that silk type, you know, paper, and it does have thank you written in a variety of different languages. Of course, I see it in Spanish, I see it in English, and that might be the only two languages I noticed, but it does have it written in a variety of different languages. Inside the box, y'all, you will get a white and green sticker inside of there. And beyond that, man, that will be it pretty much for the box contents of the Jordan 11 Gratitude, y'all. So yeah, with the box out the way, let's go ahead and check out the kicks. So yes, sir, taking a look at the outsole, man, you do get that milky translucent style outsole on the Jordan 11 Gratitudes. It does remind me of the Jordan 11 72 and 10s. If you guys are familiar with that outsole, it is kind of similar to that. I just want to say it's not as thick. If you ask me, the Jordan 11 72 and 10s had a thick type of outsole. This is like a true Jordan 11 outsole, but it does have that same tint of milkiness, if you understand what I'm saying. But translucentness, you can see that Jumpman on it. You got your black area on the top, black area on the bottom. Of course, we got our little carbon fiber hit right there. When you move up to the uppers of the shoe, we do got a all over white midsole, y'all. No sale on this shoe. However, nah, there's no sale. I was gonna say that the white's not like a pure white, but it is a pure white on here, man. But no sale on this shoe. Moving up above that, we got that all over black, shiny, glossy patent leather, and it is in the high cut form, y'all. We do got the high cut form patent leather on this in particular Jordan 11, and of course, I think from here on out, we're gonna see nothing but high cut patent leather. We're not going back to the low cut, but of course, it saves cost too for them because you don't have to put that much synthetic leather, and I want to say that the patent leather is cheaper. But on the notes of the patent leather, you got a nice little widow's peak right there on the front of the toe box area leading up to the laces. Is there any more? Yes, we got another widow's peak right here on the side if you guys can see it. I want to say it's somewhere around here. You got a widow's peak right there, and you also have one on the inside right over here, man. So you got 3 widow's peaks coming up above that patent leather area. When you move up, y'all, like I said, y'all, with this in particular Jordan 11, we get a nice tumbled leather, man. I think that that's a great touch. I wasn't a fan of it because I guess I was so used to the OG style at first. I was like, give me the mesh, bro. I want the mesh. But the leather is definitely the move. Of course, you can keep it cleaner. You're able to clean that area. If mesh, you get mesh dirty, it's really hard to clean mesh, but you can definitely clean out that leather area right there. But they come standard with the white laces, as you can see. No extra laces are included. Of course, just like previous Jordan 11s, no extra laces included. So the color that I do throw in here was, you know, your boy's J choice. I really didn't even want to lace swap them, but that's what we do. We got to give a different look over here. So I'm gonna stay with the white laces, of course, but the black, hey, it's a good little alternate. But back half, you do got your gold Jumpman right there, and it is plastic, as you can see. On the back half, we do got that gold 2-3, and that is plastic as well. It is not that iron material, so this will not peel off. It is, yeah, it's there, man, so that won't peel off or anything. So that's a nice little touch. And then front Jumpman 2-3 on that third spacing. You got the gold Jumpman, and then of course the white letters on that black tab. When we take a look at the inside of the shoe, there's no lace tips or anything on this pair, but back of the tongue, you do got your Jordan Stuff quality products inspired by the greatest player ever. Might say basketball player, but you do got that on the back of the tongue. You got your silk, not really silk, but it is. Nah, it's not silk. Definitely not silk. But it's like a fleece type of material you do have all throughout the inside sock liner area. Insole will have an all black insole that you can't even see, man. Let me take this out, bro. Let me take this out. Here y'all go, man. You do got the 2-3 in gold with the side sticker right there. And one thing I gotta point out to y'all, man, a lot of people did not notice this, but there are letters on the insoles. That is one big thing. I don't know if any reviewers are gonna catch that, but there are letters on the insole. I've seen B, I've seen C, and I haven't seen any A's, but I definitely know that there's B's and C's. So if you get a B on your insole, do not think that that's a B grade. Really have to point that out to y'all, because direct pair straight from Nike, y'all, has a C on it. So if your insole has a letter on the bottom of it, do not think that it's a B grade. Just had to throw that out there. And outside of that, y'all, let me see if I can see this sizing tag real quick, man. But that was a big thing, y'all. Make sure that you're not tripping about that letter on y'all insole, because like I said, man, they come like that. But size tag on this one reads that these were manufactured from May through July. 2-month production, man. May through July on this in particular pair that I have. Production dates may vary, but the Jordan 11 Gratitude / DMPs, man, fire shoe in my opinion. I'm definitely a fan of it, man. I have to give this shoe a solid 10 out of 10, man. This has to be the first 10 out of 10 that your boy has ranked this year, man. This is a solid shoe. I definitely like what they did with it. The materials are all there. I don't think that the quality control on this shoe is bad or anything. All the pairs that I have seen is pretty good, other than I've heard some rumors about the patent leather creasing up, you know, like worse than previous Jordan 11s. But I've worn mine and I haven't had any like significant damages in my patent leather. So I think it all comes down to how you rock your shoes, man. But solid 10 out of 10, like I said, man. The Jordan 11 Gratitudes, December 9th, $230, a little price increase on them, but hey, I think it might be worth it, man. So that is it, man. I'm gonna throw them on feet. I'm gonna swap them out real quick for y'all, man. Thumbs it up for your boy Jay. We coming back. You know, more on feet is on the way. My bad for the past shoes that I wasn't able to get out, but like, hey, I just got bombarded at the last end of the year, but hopefully I can still make those videos happen, man. But the Jordan 11 Gratitudes, solid shoe. Let's throw them on feet. I appreciate y'all. Y'all stay blessed, and to the next time, man. I'm out, y'all. Peace.
Yeah. Rock. Hold up. Wait. Wait a minute. Can't blow no candle, we stay lit. So let it burn us your raiment. We 10 toes down to the pavement. Over cash, yeah, we raining. A cool 100K, yeah, we gaining. We online, but we ain't gaming. But brother game, it ain't no shaming. We the ones originated. So you better show up with that payment. What was pure, these suckers tainted. That's the picture that they painted. But they fake, they UA. Just take the sneaker, no fugazi. Swap out the lace in my flu games. Mr. Swap it out, he got 2 names. Yeah. Just a little info for your kinfolk, just in case they didn't know it. Made a couple bandos for my handos, better ball, don't blow it. Challenger, master flow, tinted windows, I'ma go ahead, floor it. Tryna catch me slacking, but he swagger jacking, bruh, and I gotta report.